welcome to my 2021 Project Pan update. If you haven't seen my intro and my previous updates, I will have the link in the description box down below. And let's get started. So my first item is the Guerlain L'Essentiel Natural Glow Foundation. And my goal for this product is to finish it up. I just rolled this product in my last update and I was about 40% in at the time. And it weighed 151 grams in my last update. Today it weighed 149 grams. It's a bit surprising since I think I've only used it a few times and it went down by 2 grams. Anyways, I thought that was pretty good progress. And my short-term goal for my next update would be to use at least 2 more grams. And my next item is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. This has been in this product since the beginning, and now that I'm holding it up, I could really feel a difference between now and when I had it in my intro. And in my last update, it weighed 136 grams, and today it weighed 133 grams. So this went down by 3 grams. And by the way, when I first rolled it in my intro, it was 144 grams. So I think so far I've been having pretty steady progress on this product, and I can really feel this getting lighter and lighter in my hand. And I really hope that I could finish this in the next couple of months, although I have no idea how much I still have left in this bottle. However, I'm not gonna try to use it more just so I could finish it. It's just that I really feel that there's not much left to go with this foundation. And my next item is the Never Ending Maybelline Fit Me powder for normal to dry skin. And my goal for this one is only to hit pan. However, I am still nowhere near that. As for the weight, in my last update it weighed 49 grams. And today it actually weighed 48 grams. That's very interesting because it took me from January through March 3 months of consistent use to use up 1 gram, yet this time around it only took me 1 month to use up another gram. I really want to say that I'm happy with my progress, but in reality with this product I really don't have much left to say. I've lost all expectations for this product. I just hope that I can hit pan, and I will for sure continue to use this once hit pan. And of course I'm not just using it so that I can use it up, but I just don't want to keep on disappointing myself with this product. My next item is the Shiseido Minimalist Whip Powder Blush, and I have it in the shade 03 Momoko. My goal is to finish this up. In my last update it weighed 85 grams, and today it also weighed 85 grams. That's alright, because so far since the intro it's already gone down by 2 grams, and I think that's already great progress. I really look forward to using this shade in the summer because to me it's really a perfect summer shade. However, I just have no idea when summer is going to come here where I live. But anyways, I'm pretty sure I'll be using this blush even more consistently when summer eventually rolls around. So far I'm still pretty confident in using this up completely by the end of this year. Next up, I have an eyeshadow palette from Kate, and my goal is to hit pan on this shade over here, which I use as a nose contour shade. And I've actually been using the other eyeshadow shade as well, just because it's such a versatile everyday neutral palette. It's so easy to use. And I think it's definitely got a little bit flatter since my last update. And I hope that I could hit my goal in the next couple of months. So far, I've been pretty happy with my progress. The next item I have is the NARS Mini Orgasm Palette. And my goal is to hit pan on this shade over here. And I feel that so far I haven't had too much progress. Once again, just because the NARS powders are always pressed very, very firmly into the pan. So as of now, I'm actually not sure if I could eventually hit pan by the end of this year. However, I'm not discouraged like I am with the Maybelline powder, the never-ending Maybelline powder. I'm still gonna be using this eyeshadow consistently, and even if I don't end up hitting pan on this by the end of the year, that's okay too, because I love this mini eyeshadow palette so much. My next item is the Becca Mineral Blush in the shade Wild Honey. I just rolled it in my last update, and my goal for this was just to use it for a total of 50 times. And so far I've only used it 7 times. So I've still got over 40 times to go. So for sure this item will still be in my project pan by my next update. And this shade is a bit similar to the Shiseido blush I just had. And these shades are really my summer shade. So I hope that I could hit my goal of using it 50 times before the summer ends. So perhaps I could roll in a more fall winter shade of blush when the summer ends. Right. The next item is a lipstick from YSL. And my goal for this was just to use it up to where I reached the red line. And I have officially hit my goal on this product, so I will be rolling this out. As for what I'm rolling in next, stay tuned till the end of the video. And my next item is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And finally, I finished this product. Yay, now I can finally throw this out. I bought this product because I thought it was interesting. I'm really happy to have finally used this product up after having it for almost a year and a half. And my final item from the last update is the NARS Orgasm Infatuation Cheek Palette. And my goal for this was just to use it for a total of 25 times. And as of now, I've only used it for 19 times. So I've still got 6 more times to go. And I really hope that I could hit my goal by my next update. Alright, now a quick recap of what I'm rolling out this time. First, the Tatcha Mist and also the YSL lipstick, which means I'll be rolling in 2 new items. The first item I'm rolling in is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the shade Pretty Please. I got this in the 2019 holiday set, and I still have the full set right now. I haven't gone through a single one of these lip glosses. In the very beginning of this project, I actually used up a mini size of a tinted lip balm, and this time around I really want to see if I could use up a lip gloss because I've never done that before. I never really used lip gloss before, and it wasn't until when I got this set that I started being interested in lip gloss. However, lip glosses don't work the best with mask on. Now that my province is under lockdown again, I could actually start wearing lip gloss again. And by the time I'm rolling this in, it's still pretty new. So I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to hit my goal, but I really look forward to it. The second item I'm rolling in, it's something that I've already used quite a bit, as you can see. This is the Guerlain Law primer, and I think this is a pretty popular product, and I really like this primer. And the only reason why it's in my project pan is that recently I've been a bit lazy with primers. Ever since last year when I started using sunscreens that were quite moisturizing, I found that those products pretty much could double as a primer for me. So in general, I just haven't been using my primers as much as I used to. And since this product is probably my favorite primer of all, I really hope that I could use it up before it goes bad. And technically it's already expired according to the shelf life on the bottom of the packaging. It says 12 months, and I've had it for almost 2 years, if not already. Oh no, I've had it for only a year and a half. You know what? I don't remember, but that's all right. I've had it for longer than I should. So I really want to give myself a push to just finish this up. And if I ever feel like I need a primer in the future, I'll probably repurchase this. Alright, so that wraps up my Project Pan update. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really means a lot to me. And if you'd like to see more content and more Project Pan updates, then please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.